Hi, so this is Bill. On this lesson, we'll talk about on-demand charts. So basically, you can create a report specific to a bar or pie chart, right, listed here, coming from a ServiceNow list, right? So it's quite straightforward as you have data. It could be any type of module in ServiceNow as long as it has a list. The platform allows you to be able to create a bar or pie chart by just navigating to the column, right? And as you drill down, it will give you the capability, right, to create this chart. And from there, it will take you to this report viewer or report creator from ServiceNow. And as you move forward in the wizard, right, you can basically create the parameters, right, from the type and configure it accordingly to your liking, right? So this is a good example here as we scroll down. And this is a incident list, and from here you can generate a report, either a bar or a pie chart. Thank you so much. I'll see you on my next lesson.